Now that we have located our product, we will click on the name of the product. On this page, you can get a better look at the product using our zoom feature. You can also look at the description, specifications, features, and available documents. Another awesome feature of the eStore is this availability tab. You can click on the orange house to see the location and the quantity of products we have in stock. In this example, there's 85 available in the Janesville location. Now I'm going to move them into my cart. In this example, I need 2, so I will change the quantity from 1 to 2, and then click Add to Cart. From here, I can either view my cart or continue shopping. Now that I'm in my cart, there are many things I can do here. I can check the unit price, the total price, and the quantity. I can add more by changing this number and clicking Update, or I can delete it. I can save the cart to be used at a later time, or I can add it to the product group. We will dive more into product groups in a future video. Now that I have it in my cart, I'm going to check out. Head to the next video to see how to do it.